afternoon, do routine things, call your friends, because you don't normal things. Once you have self-discipline, you start on a good footing. I want to say self-discipline encompasses taking care of yourself. For you to become a leader, you must be alive. For you to own a company, you must be alive. And you must be healthy, both mentally. If you don't take care of yourself, you take hard drugs, you take illicit alcohol, chances are 50% you die before your time. Percent is that you become a zombie, a vegetable. Just walking around, grooming. I was walking in the streets of Mombasa this morning at 6 a.m. who was high on drugs. He could not even see where he's going at 6 a.m. in the morning. My good people, please, keep off drugs. Drugs will give you temporary relief from problems. By the time the drugs are through, the problems are even more. Let nobody cheat you that if you take drugs and you stay high, that the problems and the difficulties that you face have been solved. I want to speak to you at Pwani University and say that we face a big challenge in this country of drug abuse, drug and substance abuse among our people, including. I want to plead with you. Please don't destroy yourself. Don't destroy your future. Because when you destroy yourself, your parents are devastated. The parents who are brought here today have brought a strong belief that one day you shall come to sort them out. Take care of your younger siblings and take care of your parents in old age. You kill not just your dreams, but the dreams of your parents. I want to say, and I emphasize, and I plead with you, that you cannot be a man or woman of substance when you are on drugs. Drugs will destroy your mental capacity. They will make you dependent, and drugs are expensive. And you cannot sustain. And once you become addicted, you are ruined, you are destroyed. I want to persuade you that self-discipline, keeping away from drugs, keeping away from alcohol, is the beginning of your success in what you want to do in future. Let me say also, leader, in any sphere, you must be brave and courageous. Courage is an important ingredient of preparation to leadership. Cowards will never be anybody. Don't be cowardly. Take risks. But if you want to play safe all the time, you hear this and this needs to be done, but there is a little danger. You shy away. You will be left behind. I want to say that you must be courageous. Once you have decided what is it that you want to do in your life, you must be courageous. And once you know you are on the right path, let nobody stop you. If anybody tries to stop you, please, pita, naye. I am a great admirer of President William Samoei Ruto. Despite being his deputy and his principal assistant, I'm his great admirer. That guy is on another level. When he decided he wanted to be president, and he convinced himself that it is doable, it's possible, and that Kenyans needed to benefit from his leadership. Many obstacles were put before him, something called the deep state and the system. Everybody was against him, but he said, no retreat, no surrender, I am a man on a mission. He traversed the width and the breadth of this country with sheer determination, despite being denied facilities, transport, aircraft, fuel, policemen stopping his meetings, bringing down tents for his meetings, disabling public address systems. The man was determined, and he said, I'll push on, and nothing put on my path to leadership will distract me or deter me. And because of and courageous and self-discipline, William Samoei Ruto, the son of a person, today is the President of Kenya and Commander-in-Chief of the Defense Forces. I must tell you, for you to be a good leader, you must practice tenets of transparency and accountability. You must be transparent, you must be accountable. You must have integrity. There is no way your colleague in your faculty will support you to be a leader of anything if when you are in school, your work was to steal his pen. People must know that you are accountable for your actions, that you are able to stand by what you mean, that what you say is what you mean, and what you mean is what you say. You must, as students of Pwani University, be accountable for your stay here for 4 years. You must account for that time. We have seen many students where people have done harambes to set them out of the country, to go and get university degrees, and they are escorted with buses to the airport when villagers have sold their chicken and sheep to raise money to take the road. And when they go abroad, they don't go to campus. They just hang around and do some many jobs. And then they keep on saying, now I'm in Fasia, when he is working in to a factory, he says, now I'm in Sagadia. From potatoes, he says, I'm in third year. And then he gets a job at the airport, he says, I'm fourth year. The man has never been inside a campus. He is not accountable for what he is supposed to be. For you to succeed, you must be prepared to learn from success and failures.